HONK! If you knew just how dearly I would love to quack. It's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty. Different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stuffy beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful. Different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Hello, Ducky.
Who are you?
I'm your friend.
I haven't got any friends. And everyone hates me because I'm ugly.
Oh, they are just too cruel. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said poultry can be so delicious. Just look at them, guzzling all that bread.
Oh, it's supposed to be really nice. It's French.
On the roach. You mean to say they didn't leave you any?
Not a crumb.
Oh, well that settles it then. Lunch is in. On me.
Do you mean it? You really are a friend.
Well, of course I am. Now you just follow me.
I better go tell my mother.
No, you mustn't!
Oh, I really think I should.
Listen, we won't be gone long. What harm could it do? And you're hungry, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
That makes two of us.
Well, if you're sure.
I'm quite sure.
It's Ida I feel sorry for. How she managed to lay an egg on my bird dough.
Makes my eyes water just thinking about it.
Gobble, gobble. I wouldn't use that to stuff a duvet with.
Talking of stuffing, I don't suppose you'd be quite so full of yourself come Thanksgiving.
Ooh, I hate that word.
There is nothing wrong with my son. He just looks a bit different, that's all. I think that makes him someone rather special.
I agree with you, Ida. And if I agree, everyone agrees. I think an apology is in order from you three.
Wait a minute. Where's he gone?
I thought he was with you.
Well, he was just a moment ago. go.
Well, if he's got any sense, he should have gone to find a bag to put over his head.
That's enough!
Oh, calm down, bud. He's probably just wandered off to the lake. You know how he loves swimming.
Not without telling me he wouldn't. Where has he gone?
Oh, for goodness sake! All right, Turkey! You go look down by the hen house. Henrietta and Maureen, look down by the milking shed. Ida will take the duck to the lake.
And I'll coordinate operations with the Green Street.
Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now let me see. Casserole of duck, duck with cherries, Peking duck. Here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know you are. I mean, what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
Oh, my mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Oh, well, mothers are all the same, you know. They seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, of course. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig out flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So Bucky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the crunch. Play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what kind of games do you like to play? They could be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to fight in the puddles, step on the mud, take the silverbacks and shallows. And maybe this time go sliding in the slime to the fun marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.